Hi, okay, so this is my birthday yarn. We're gonna open it up together. I don't even know what it looks like in real life. I'm so excited, okay? Before I open it up, this is from Apple Blossom Yarn. Apple Blossom Yarn. I always wanna add an S to it, but that's because there's two people that die. So it's a business run by two women, and I think it's mother-daughter, and they dye beautiful yarn. So I've made a few projects. This kitty cat hat is made with their yarn. This sock is made with their yarn. And now I'm making a sweater with their yarn. So I'm so excited. This is going to be my birthday sweater. Every year I knit or crochet myself a sweater. This was last year's sweater. It was a scrappy sweater, and I made it with a whole bunch of scrap yarn. I didn't buy any new yarn for that one. This one is going to be the first knit sweater I've ever designed. So I picked out the yarn. I'll show you the design, and then we're gonna start swatching, and I am so excited. Okay. Let's open the yarn. Trying not to show my address on screen. Oh my gosh. They're all wrapped and it's pretty. Oh, hold on. There's a lot of yarn here. Lots of yarn. Did I get it all? Okay. Aw, they sent me a cute little note. That's precious. Okay, here's the first set. Open these. Oh, I love how they're in like wax bags. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so good. This is the Aurora Surrey lace. This is in Love. And this is a dusty rainbow, but it's technically like ruinous. Hold on, I'll show you. So this is Love on sock. This is Love on Surrey lace. Okay, beautiful. We love these. I'm obsessed. I'm so good. Oh, I need to cake this yarn. More love, and then like look at this. Oh my gosh, this one is dyed like the same, like the purples, the pink, the orange, the blue. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to, we've got 3 skeins and 3 skeins and 4 skeins and 2. So this is all my sweater yarn. I'm gonna go cake it, and then I'm gonna start making a sweater, and I'm gonna document the process. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing it all in one day or over the course of a couple days, so if the lighting and I change, that's probably because it got dark. It might get dark before I can get all this wound. I'm just gonna wind one of each, but it might get dark before then. But if not, I don't know. We'll find out. I'll see you soon. Hi, okay, we're back with another day. I did get the yarn wound. I did get the yarn swatched and washed and blocked, and I started the sweater. So I forgot to even tell you. So this yarn is actually dyed after one of my all-time favorite book series, the Ruinous Love trilogy. It's Butcher and Blackbird, Leather and Lark, and then Scythe and Sparrow. These are the special editions. I own the special ones and the regular ones and the Kindle versions and the arcs of these too. So I'm a mess, but the yarn is dyed after this book series. So I fell in love with it, and I had bought some and made socks out of it, like I said. And then I was like, it's birthday sweater time. So my first sweater I knit with Sorella Surrey silk. And then my second sweater was a sweater of Chaos yarn. And then this one I wanted to be something really important to me. So I got this yarn. I'm so excited about it. So hold on, I'll show you the swatch and give you the vibe, okay? Are you ready for this? Okay, so let's focus it, come on. So this top part, that's gonna be the ribbing. This part right here is gonna be the sleeves. And then this plain, pretty purple at the bottom is gonna be the body. Okay, you see the picture here? So, I've got this much done. This is the next day, by the way. Yeah, this is day 2. So I started the collar last night, and this is day 2 of working on the sweater. So I got the yarn on Saturday. On Sunday, I got everything washed, blocked, and ready to go. And then Sunday night, I started the collar, and then today is Monday. So that is where we're at so far. I'm gonna try and get this done by my birthday. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm sure gonna try. And look at how cute my little stitch marker is. It's a little piece of cake. It's like a birthday. It's a birthday cake with sprinkles. Anyway, all right, so I'm gonna get back to knitting this. I'm just doing the increases right now on the neckline, raglan section area for the sleeves and the chest. We'll be doing that for quite a bit further, and then once it hits like right below my, I guess at nipple level, that's where I like to split for sleeve. It just seems to fit me better when I split there. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go, well, I'm already knitting it, but I'm gonna go get comfy and knit instead of sitting on my feet on my floor. And I will get back to you all shortly. Hi, okay, so it's Friday, so this is the update. I'm behind. It's gonna be fine. I will work on the sleeve tonight. I'll work on the body tomorrow. I'll work on the next sleeve on Sunday, and then it might be a t-shirt. Something will be finished by Tuesday. I just don't know what it's gonna be yet, so the t-shirt might win. Okay, let's get back to knitting. Hi, okay, so we are at body. We're working on the body right now. It's Sunday evening. It's whatever day we're on, 6, 7 maybe, I don't know. But we're working on the body right now. We did a little bit on the sleeve. I'm gonna see how far I can get tonight on the body, and if I can get at least enough to make it into a top, then I will just t-shirt this sleeve tomorrow and we'll call it good. If I can't get enough of the body done tonight, then we're just gonna keep working on it and we'll finish it when we finish it. But if I can get it done tonight, then we will turn it into a t-shirt and it'll be ready by my birthday on Tuesday. So that is the update. That is where we're at. I'm gonna go knit and I will see you tomorrow. Hi, okay, so it's March, it's March. I forgot to, so I finished the sweater like the night of my going into my birthday. Finished it, except for, I didn't weave in any of the ends yet. Anyway, I got the sweater done. I was so excited, so proud of it, totally forgot to record a video. And then I got sick for like all of February. So it's March now, and now I get to show you the final sweater. I did end up doing it t-shirt sleeves. I'm so happy that I did. I can wear it all the time now. I don't get super hot. I did it like cropped, but like not quite. Like it sits really close to the top of my waistband, and if I pull my skirt up just a smidgen, it sits right there. I could have done a little bit longer of a ribbing, but I really liked keeping them short. I just think they look nice because it matches the top. But yeah, so I finished it. I did it. I'm obsessed with it. This yarn is still some of my absolute favorites. Hold on, let me grab what I have left over. Okay, so I definitely ordered way too much yarn because I wasn't sure what kind of sweater or shirt thing I was going to make. So I have a bunch left over. So these are, it's Apple Blossom yarn, and these are Love, the two purples that are in this one. This is the Aurora Surrey lace. So it's baby Surrey alpaca and mulberry silk mixed together. And then the bottom one is their Cosmic Sock, which is extra fine superwash merino wool and nylon. So I love these. And then they also have this is Ruinous in the Cosmic Sock as well, and this is, it's a one of a kind, and they call it Dusky Rainbow, but they like match so well. I love them. They're also doing a pre-order. I don't know how long it's going up, so it might be over with, but regardless, just go check out their yarn. It's super gorgeous. They do a lot of bookish theme things as well, so if you are a bookish crafter, I highly recommend it. This was based off of the Ruinous Love trilogy, Bryn Weaver's books from Butcher and Blackbird, Leather and Lark, and Scythe and Sparrow. And then they also have a new one coming out for tourist season. I, of course, ordered it. That's coming in. It's going to be a t-shirt as well. The main variegated color will be the body, and then they're dyeing me a custom neon purple to go on the offset sleeves. They're such a cool pattern. Anyway, but I have some yarn left, y'all. And I don't know what to make with the rest of it. So if you have any ideas, let me know. It's enough for like another shirt. But yeah. Thank you for sticking with me and for bothering me 1.5 million times. And it wasn't bothering me. It was completely justified asking me, like, when are we gonna see the rest of your sweater? Here's the rest of my sweater. I'll have a post up on the blog with this. It'll have all the details, more information, links for you too. And yeah, thanks for sticking with me and hanging out. I really appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.